This is steering assembly, rack assembly for Maruti range of vehicles we have available. Left hand drive only. In my hand, this is Espresso 2022 model, full assembly with ball joint, thyroid, boot, rack assembly and pinion. We have Dzire 2022, Celerio, Maruti car 800 and Alto. Left hand drive also available, readily stock.